Hello and welcome to the Factoring and Solving Practice tool on Willnot.fail. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how this page works. So, this page works like this. You're going to be given a problem. Either it will be easy, medium, or hard, and you're always allowed to just click to change the difficulty. So see, I can switch to medium, to hard, and back to easy. You'll be given a problem to solve, and what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to factor it and then use the factored form to solve the equation. So for example, you can see here that I've got x squared plus 7x minus 30. So to find the factored or intercept form, I'll do that maybe on paper or in my head if I know how to do that. All right. And so in this case, it's x plus 10, x minus 7, or either x minus 3. The order does not matter in terms of the factored form because we know order doesn't matter. So I'll use the drop down, and this needs to be a minus 3. And now that I have this, I'm going to go ahead and input my solutions, again, in whatever order you want. And as I fill these in, it's going to go ahead and begin to fill in the information. When I'm ready to check my work, I'll hit check answer. And if I'm correct, you'll see it says correct. And then it will give me another problem to do. Let's say I didn't do it correctly. So I'm going to select these and I'll just type a random answer, 10. Okay, and see in this case, you can see I'm indicating there's only one solution. Okay, because sometimes that might happen. You'll see it will tell me that I need to try again. All right. Now keep in mind, any kind of scenario could play out here. You could have a perfect squared trinomial. You could have a difference of squares. You could have a greatest common factor. You could have an a value, a leading coefficient, more than one. All kinds of possibilities depending on whether it's an easy, medium, or hard question. Okay? If you ever find there are no solutions, you just need to indicate here that there are no solutions. And in this case, that's actually not true, so it will tell me to try again. All right, so best of luck. Happy hunting with your factoring problems. I hope this tool helps you. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'll go ahead and I'll post my contact information on this page, so you can reach out to me with any questions. Thanks very much. Good luck. Don't forget to love math, and have a wonderful day.